The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to the second section of our English class. Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Children, in the previous class we learned about how to keep our environment clean. Do you remember the word environment? What is environment? Yes, environment is the surroundings in which a person, animal and plants live. Then what is recycling? Yes, recycling is the process of making something new out of something old. Then children, do you know what is carpooling? Carpooling is two or more people going in one car to the same place. That is, two or more people going together in one car to the same place. They can use one car if they are going to the same place. So children, now let us move on to our today's session. Okay? Children, in page number 82, there is a PEP activity for you, that is activity 5.4. Here we are going to write sentences by our own. Look at what the people in the pictures are doing. Draw lines to match the pictures in column A to the correct pictures in column B. Describe the differences between each set that you have matched. Write your responses in one or two sentences. So children, this is a PEP activity. You can do it by yourself. It is, you have to create sentences by your own. Okay? Today we are learning to write sentences. So, a sentence is a group of words that make a complete meaning. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Okay? It makes a complete meaning by itself. A group of words that makes a meaningful thought is a sentence. Okay? We start a sentence with a capital letter and the sentence should end with a full stop. So, you should remember that when we write a sentence, the starting, that is the first letter should be capital, okay, and the sentence should be complete with a full stop, that is we put a full stop at the end of the sentence. So, we start the sentence with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Example, I love my family. My city is clean. The flower is pretty. So children, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete meaning. Okay? It has a complete meaning. Then a sentence will start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A sentence can also ask information. Okay? A sentence can also ask an information. Then it becomes a question. When we ask an information, it becomes a question. Example, what is your name? So, when we are asking an information, we will end with a question mark. Okay? The sentence will end with a question mark. We will put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Example, when is your birthday? Where is your house? What is your name? So, in these sentences, we put a question mark at the end of the question. So, children, a sentence is a group of words that has a complete meaning. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A sentence can also ask for information, then it becomes a question, then we place a question mark at the end of the question. Children, you can do the activity in page number 84 and 85. Okay? And in page number 84, read the questions in column A and write your answers in column B in complete sentence. That is, the questions are given, you have to answer it in sentences. Okay? That you have to write it by your own. And in page number 85, that is activity 5.5, you have to do it. That is, read a conversation between two friends. Circle the questions and underline the answers. Children, after listening to this class, you will do this activity by yourself. Okay? So, children, it is time to wind up today's session. We will meet in the next session. Okay? Bye. See you.